Now, our next slide is for functions of bank, as we discussed banking meaning in our previous video. Now we are going to discuss the functions of banks, and as the picture describes, there are two types of functions: primary functions and secondary functions of a commercial bank. And what are primary functions? Primary means the basic functions on which the foundation of bank is relies over, and without these functions, any of the institution is known to be a bank. Secondary functions the bank can perform or cannot perform, but the primary function should have to be performed by the institution to known to be a bank. Means what is primary functions? Primary functions are that a bank has to earn. Sorry, bank has to, you can say, like receive money as the form of deposits from general public. They cannot deny that we don't want to have your deposits, because it is the obligation of the bank to receive money from the persons. Whatsoever money they want to deposit, then bank cannot deny. And the second function is providing loans, means that the bank has to provide loans to the public. For example, if there is a person coming to the bank for a house loan or any of the unproductive loan, the bank cannot deny. If there is a credit rating over the person with a negative one, only then person the bank can deny. Otherwise, over the person, the bank cannot deny to give him to the loan. And the next one is we are having primary functions and secondary functions. Secondary functions, all the agency and general utility functions the bank is performing along with the primary functions, because primary functions are this some basic functions bank has to perform, and secondary functions the voluntarily functions can perform or cannot perform. It depends over the bank. But because it is a competitive world, bank has to perform some functions that is known to be secondary functions to earn more and more returns from the market, because it is competition. So bank is providing, like you can say, you need not to go bank. You have mobile banking, net banking facility. The bank agent comes to your home, door to door service providing by the bank. They are all about the secondary functions. They are not the primary functions of bank. And in our next slide, you are able to see some of the functions of the banks. They are some functions, whether the primary and the secondary one. This is all about the functions of bank.